Hi there, it's Jane with Pulpit Nation, and this is one of my very favorite stocking peels that involves a lay down position. It'll look like this. Here's the breakdown. Now I like this because you don't have to be super stretchy or super bendy. So I'm gonna take my hands, I'm gonna love my legs. I'm gonna slide back up. Take a finger, slide across. Take the other finger and slide across. I'm gonna go past my knee, past my calf. I'm gonna lay down, pointing the toes, past the heel, and then point, 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 nice straight leg, and then hold. And then when I'm ready, release. Now when you slide up, think of a little mud flap girl pose. Take the hands, slide across, love the leg, slide across. Take the finger, slide one, then slide the other, past the knee, past the calf, tuck. Let's lay down, past the heel, hold, 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 and release. And then slide back up.